Right, let's dive into the fascinating world of special forces. Picture this, elite soldiers silent as shadows, executing high-stakes missions with precision. Today, we're exploring how special forces tactics have evolved over the decades. Let's kick things off post-World War II. The British SAS, formed during the war, revolutionized guerrilla warfare. They were masters of hit-and-run tactics, sabotage and reconnaissance. Their motto, "Who dares wins," epitomized their daring and unconventional methods. Fast forward to the Vietnam War era. Here, the US Navy SEALs emerged as a formidable force. Adaptable, they operated in jungles, rivers and coastal areas. Their tactics included underwater demolitions, close-quarters combat and jungle warfare. They became legends with missions like the raid on Sun Tay POW camp. Moving into the Cold War period, special forces units across the globe shifted focus to counter-terrorism. The Iranian embassy siege in 1980 showcased the British SAS's surgical precision. With live TV coverage, the world witnessed their efficient and deadly hostage rescue tactics. In the 1990s, special forces began leveraging technology more. Night vision goggles, GPS, and advanced communication tools became indispensable. The US Delta Force and British SBS honed skills in counter-terrorism and direct action missions. Their operations were now swift, covert, and technology-driven. The turn of the millennium brought the global war on terror. Special forces faced new challenges in urban and mountainous terrains of Afghanistan and Iraq. They adapted by forming joint task forces, combining expertise from various units. Operations like the raid on Osama bin Laden's compound in 2011 highlighted the seamless integration of intelligence and tactical prowess. Today, special forces continue to innovate. Cyber warfare and drones are the new frontiers. Units like Russia's Spetsnaz and Israel's Sayeret Matkal are at the forefront. They blend traditional ground tactics with cutting-edge technology, maintaining their edge in modern warfare. From the jungles of Vietnam to the deserts of Iraq, special forces have adapted and evolved. Their tactics, once shrouded in mystery, now serve as blueprints for military strategy worldwide. One thing remains constant: their unwavering commitment to mission success, no matter the odds. So there you have it, the evolution of special forces tactics through time. It's a journey of innovation, bravery, and relentless pursuit of excellence. Until next time, stay curious.